We were the radical women. They called us the bra burners. We fought for social equality. They didn't believe we had a right to be angry.
We're priming our society to believe there's a cap to women's success. What kind of message are we sending our children? What kind of world are they going to grow up in when you say, little boys can grow up to be leaders of our free world, and little girls can grow up to be Miss America?
The ideals of Miss America are telling young girls they must embody the Madonna whore archetype.
We're telling young girls that they should uphold the double standards of being both sexy yet innocent like an angel.
Social agencies are selling sexual discontent to women. They create elusive standards of beauty that women find unattainable.
Our patriarchal system prescribes gender roles to young women, condemning them to domesticated roles, inhibiting them to unveil the boundless aspirations they may pursue.
In retrospect of all this social injustice, I guess we do have a reason to be angry.